Fishy friends, welcome here at Bart's Fish Tales. And look behind us, this is Cook Inlet. It's here where they catch the most beautiful wild salmon in Alaska. It's wild, it's natural, it's sustainable. And today I'm cooking with my friend Luuk. Luuk lives in New York and he is a seafood specialist. And he will show you how to fillet the sockeye. And then I will cook with it. A sockeye fillet, seared, fried on the grill with the tahini sauce. Let's kick off. So that sockeye was swimming down Cook Inlet. And now we've got it here, and Luuk will show you how to fillet the fish. So Luuk starts to cut off the head of this sockeye salmon.
So what we'll do, we'll have it cut in the back first, backbone, like this, all the way up to the tail. Take off the first fillet, then we'll do the other side, just the same thing.
If you can't place it here, please Luuk, then I continue. So while Luuk is filleting the other side, I can continue with this side. And what I will do, I have a bit of salt, a bit of oil on the skin, rub it in, and here we go. So while Luuk is prepping the second fillet, I've got like 50 ml of water right here. I'm going to mix it with 2 ounces of tahini paste, which is around 50 grams, and has this nutty flavor. I'm giving a bit of acidity, a bit of sourness with the juice of half a lemon. And then we give it a kick. 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to finely chop it together with the sauce. Now we give it a bit of color, a bit of extra flavor with some fresh parsley. Here we go. A bit of salt. Okay, time for a taste. Taste. Good. Okay, salmon. Perfect. Turn it around. So, I've grilled the salmon for like 3 minutes, skin on. So I give it another 1 till 2 minutes. You want to have it crispy from the outside and juicy and tender from the inside. Okay. Perfect. So here, sockeye salmon on the skin, crispy skin. And now we give it a bit of this Tahin sauce. Bit of decoration.
Yeah. Some green on top.
Some green on top. Look at this. This is such an adventure, Luuk, right? We're cooking.
Finito.
It's after midnight, Cook Inlet, and we just cooked this freshly caught sockeye salmon, skin on, with this amazing tahini sauce. Should we give it a try?
Maybe 2.
2 tries. Okay, bit of lemon. It's time for a taste, Luuk. Smells super.
Cheers.
Oh.
Very, very tender.
Wow. This is good. Luuk, what do you think?
Delicious.
It's delicious. It's the crispiness of the skin and the freshness of this sockeye salmon, which is just caught behind us, Kasilov River here in Alaska. And then we have the sauce of the tahini, which has this nutty flavor, the sourness, then the parsley with it. It's amazing. Well, Luuk, thank you for joining me.
Bart, it was my pleasure.
Well, if you have any comments, any questions to Luuk, to me, please leave them down in the box below. And hope to see you soon on another Fishy Friday.
Fishy Friday.